Yes, students, and we have discussed in the last class, yesterday's class, the number conversion. Okay, the last class we started. I mean, yesterday we started a new chapter, and the number systems. You know that there are four type of number systems, and it base values, everything you learned it. Okay, isn't it? So I hope you done the homework also. Many of them submitted the homework. May you know that who are all not submitted? The reasons too. I need the reasons also. Mrutula submitted and Rajesh submitted. Harini is okay. Rakshana submitted. What about rest of the students? I think Aditya Pandian, have you submitted
Yes, sir.
through WhatsApp, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just kindly send hereafter through mail. That would be easy for me to check. And what about Harini? Another Harini, not Harini Sri, Harini. I didn't receive your homework. Why you didn't submit? What about you? Why you didn't submit yesterday's homework? I have received only one mail.
Sir, phone problem, sir. இப்பதான் சார் அனுப்பிச்சு விட்டுருக்காங்க.
Okay. Jaya Aditya, what about you? Have you submitted? Jaya Aditya. No, I didn't receive it, man. I didn't receive an email. Mail submitted. That is very fine. And
You sent it mail, sir.
you sent mail. I didn't receive it. I didn't receive. Kindly check the mail. Okay. Aditya is in that. Rest of the students, I didn't get it. Aditya, Reshma, I got. Rakshana, I got. Priyanka, I think is submitted. Prasant and Sudan, what about you? Prasant and Sudan. What is it?
Sir, me submitted.
Who?
Rajesh.
Rajesh, I think you sent through WhatsApp. Oh, no, okay, mail. I received it. What about Prasant? Prasant and Sudan. Why you didn't submit?
Sir.
You didn't submit your homework, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, when you submit?
Sir, tomorrow, sir.
Tomorrow, no, today itself you submitted. I given the homework yesterday, no? You should submit yesterday itself. Okay.
Okay, sir. Today I submit, sir.
Okay, that's just a 5 sums only. You just do it. Today also I will give some homework. Together you can submit today.
Okay, sir.
And Ram Tilak, yesterday you was absent. Why? Ram Tilak, yesterday you was absent and you are not regular to the class. Why it is? Be regular and learn it. Okay. Akshaya, have you submitted the homework
Yes, sir.
through mail or what?
Mail, sir.
But I didn't receive. Yeah, no, I didn't receive it.
Sir, today I sent through WhatsApp again, sir.
Send through mail. Send to my mail ID. That will be easy. WhatsApp, I'm just receiving one day more than 5,000 messages. Okay, I couldn't read all the messages. That's what better you can send through some mail. Okay, sometimes I will reply in the WhatsApp, but many times I couldn't because a lot of messages are there. That's what. Steve Pavitra.
Okay, sir.
What about Steve Pavitra? I
Sir,
think
I'm already submitted, sir, through WhatsApp.
Yes, I have seen that. You have to send through mail, ma. That will be good. Saravesh, first time I'm here seeing you. Are you a computer science student?
Yeah, sir.
But you didn't attend so far, no?
Then yesterday only I joined, sir.
Okay. So just today
Okay,
I will post the website, gone through the website. In that already the last session videos are there. We completed one chapter. So just refer that videos. You will get some idea. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if you have any doubt in this first chapter means let you ask it. Okay, second chapter, yesterday's class, yesterday only I started the second chapter. Go through that video also. It is already posted in the website. You can, you know the website, no? Do you know it?
Don't know, sir.
Okay, just then how will you say okay? You don't know the website, but okay means how you can. Okay, after the class is completed, you can just send an WhatsApp. Then I will send the website address to you. Then go through it. Okay. Okay, Srisha, why you was absent yesterday? Srisha, you are also nowadays not regular. Yesterday was absent and didn't get any homework from you also. And Mageshwari, what about you? Mritula sent. What about Mageshwari's homework?
Sir, some signal problem I have, sir. Today I will send, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let me go into the class, students. So as you seen, we have discussed the binary to decimal conversion we have seen in the yesterday's topic. Okay. So how to convert the binary number to decimal number that we have seen in the last class. Okay. Let me do the continuation of the things. I hope few of the members has done the homework. From that you will get an experience how to do the practice. That will be easy for you. Okay. So I think there is no need of much more explanation. I think my voice is audible to all. Is it any problem? Is it audible now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, good, good. I think Srisha, kindly check your network signal. I hope that everything is fine in my end. Okay. Okay, let me just take another topic. Now today also we are going to discuss the same topic. The first one, binary to decimal. Okay, yesterday we have seen only the whole number. Now suppose if it is the fraction part is there, means how to deal with that. Okay, that is our second part. Okay, I will see this slide. Okay, decimal, binary to decimal, fraction numbers. Take your note and do write the same thing. Okay, have you written? Have you taken your note? Take the classwork and write the same thing. Binary to decimal, fractional numbers. If it is a fractional binary numbers means how to deal with it. That we are going to see. Have you taken your note? Take it quickly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, we will start our work. As usual, we will start our drawing. Okay. For example, if the number is, can anyone say one binary number? Can anyone say one binary number?
101.
Okay. For example, 101 I will take. Okay. 101 dot 101. Okay. This is a binary number. We need to convert into the decimal. That's our concept. Okay. So we need to convert into decimal number. We want to find the value. What is the decimal value of this given binary number which we want to convert into decimal? Okay. So first we need to do this part. That is the integer part or the not the real part. That is a whole number part. We need to do that. That you already know. How many digits are there? The real part. Real part means I'm saying in the integer part. Integer means whole number. Okay. Integer part. How many digits are there?
3.
3 digits are there, isn't it? Good. So for that we need to take the n value is 3. I will just say that 1 into n minus 1 formula, no? So 1 into 2, n minus 1. That is 3 minus 1 is what?
2.
2. 2 power 2 plus, what is the thing? 0 into 2 power 1, then plus
1 into
2 power 0. Okay. That is the first part we need to calculate it. Okay. Then I will tell that what is the remaining part. Okay. Put
Sir,
one.
repeat
large
once
part.
again, sir.
Yeah, you can see the screen. 1 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 1 and plus 1 into 2 power 0. Have you got it? Somebody's asked that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Have you got it this one? How to do this? Because we have the integer part alone, 3 numbers are there. Okay, let me come to the whole, that is in the fractional part. Fractional part, how many digits are there?
3 digits.
3 digits, same 3 digits are there. Now we need to do the conversion for that. Just we have to put one dot for our identification. Okay. So just for our draw one line. For example, here we need to do in the reverse side. Okay. So fractional part means in minus. Okay. We need to go through in the minus area. Okay. Then how to do the division? Very simple. Here, what is the first plan? 1 is there. 1 into, just learn it how to do. Then next sum you can do it. 1 into 2 to the power of minus 1. Okay. Here not 0, minus 1. Okay. Plus, what is the second value? 0, no? So 0 into 2 to the power of minus 2 plus 1 into tell that 2 to the power of minus 3.
Minus 3.
Okay, that's
1.
the concept. Okay, good. So let you say that. Okay, now we need to do the consolidate. That is a simplification. Okay, you know, 1 minute. Okay, now we will do the same thing. Okay, what is 2 power 2 is what?
4.
4 into
4
4.
4.
Okay, plus then
plus
it is
0.
plus 0.
0
Next
plus 1
Plus
power of 1 into 1 1. Okay, then we just put the dot for your identification. Now what this actually means, 1 divided by 2 we can write in the minus is there. No, if you are converting to the reciprocal, you will easily get. Actually, what is the form means? 1 by 2 plus, what is the thing? 1 by 4. What is the 2 to the power of 2? Actually 2 into minus 4, then 1 by 4 plus, that is 0 into power. Actually 1 minute.
1 by 8.
1 minute.
1 by 8.
I will do that. So actually the second part is 0 into 2 to the power of minus 2. If you are multiplying means what will we will get? What we will get? 0 only, no, because we are multiplying with 0 plus, till that 1 by
1 by 8. 8.
oh. So now you just conclude this part. 4 plus 0 plus 1, you will get what? 5.
5.
5 point. Then here 1 by 2 is what? What is 1 by 2 value? 0.5, isn't it? 0.5. 0.5. This dot is for our identification. I'm saying again. Okay. Then plus 1 by 8 is what? That is 1/8 of the 1 is what? 1/8 part of the 1 is what? That's the question actually. What is that? You didn't get it. Hello.
1 part of
Actually,
8.
Yes, yes.
0.12
0.125.
125.
Just do that. Okay. 0 point. What is the thing? If you divide that one means, what is the thing? 0.125. 1 minute. I will write it. By writing the mouse, it will be a little bit complicated. That's what the time is taken. Okay. Let me just do the things again. Next thing is we need to add all those things. If we add all those things, what will get? What we will get? Just add it. 5 plus, that is actually 5 is the real part. Don't take this one. This is not our point. That's just for identification purpose. We are making that. Just note down this one. Okay. Tell that 0.625. You just you already done. I'm just asking 5. You just add this 2 part. I'm underlining. No, that alone just add it. What you will get?
625.
No,
0.625.
you mistaken. 0.5 plus 0.125. Okay, have you got it? What you will get? Very easy, no? 5 plus, if you add the 5 means
0.625.
0.625.
that's what. Yeah, 0.625. 6 to 5.
2, 5.
6 to 5. Okay, if we just add this two number 5 plus, actually 5 plus 0.625, if you add means what is the final number, final value? 5 point, what is it? 625, isn't it? So this is the final result in the decimal. Okay, now we understand that how to convert the decimal value. Decimal means fraction value into the binary value to the decimal part. Have you understand now? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's do one more. Yeah, somebody's asking for something. Okay. Shall we go to the one more sum for that?
Yes, sir.
Let me
Yes,
do
sir.
another one sum for your just to get the thoroughness about it. Okay. Now you just tell any one number. Tell any number. Zeros and one. That is a binary number I'm asking. Okay,
0,
let me
1.
0,
not start from. I
1,
just
1, 0,
okay. 1 1 0.
0, 0, 1.
One more. One. Okay. Then what do you say?
Point 1, 1, 0.
Again 110. Okay. So 1101.110. Okay, this is the given number. It is in binary. Now we need to convert into decimal. Okay. So let me convert it. Okay. Let you want to convert now. Let you tell what I want to write. Now I'm just simply writing. Let you want to do this. Okay. Tell that.
1 into 2 in power
1 into 2 power 3.
1 into 2 power
2 power
3
3. Very
2
good.
power 3
Plus
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 1 into
1 into 2 power
hmm,
2.
next.
1 into 2 power
0 into 1. 2 into
Hmm.
1 into
1
2 power 0.
0.
So this is the whole part we done it. Okay, for identification, I just drawn the line. Okay. Now in the decimal part, how to do it? Yeah,
Reverse.
that's what I'm asking. How to do it? 1 into first value is 1. No, not reverse. In the normal order.
1 into 2 power 2.
2 power 2.
No, 2 power not. It is not in the reverse. That's what.
2 power minus 1.
Very good. Minus 1 plus again 1 into
Into 2 power minus
2 power minus 2.
minus 2 10 plus 0
0
into
into 2
0
power
into
minus
2 power.
Minus 3.
Okay. So we want to do the simplification now. Okay. Now what is the answer? 2 power 3 is what? 2 to 4, 2 to
8.
8. So first
8.
one you will get 8 plus next is 2 to
4.
4.
4
Next one is 0.
plus 0
0
Plus
plus 1.
okay, this is the real the whole part what you will get. Actually what is the thing? 1 by
2
2
plus
plus
2
1 by 4.
4
That is 0, no? So let me leave it. Okay. So here what we'll get? 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1,
12.
13.
13.
Get here. Okay. 1 minute, I didn't write the 13. Aditya, is it yours? You are breathing. You are just keeping your mic too near to your nostril, I think so. Okay. Okay, now you see that 8 plus 4 plus 1. So 13 we will get. And this part you want to do. What is 1 by 2? That is what?
0
0.5.
0.5. Okay. So plus, what is 1 by 4?
0.25.
0.25. Okay. So 0.25. Okay. That is the 1/4 of the value. Okay. Now you just add it.
0.75.
13 here.
0.
Then yeah, 0.75.
ரொம்ப இருக்கு அவ்வளவுதான் இல்ல
Here who
அவ்வளவு
starts?
இதெல்லாம்
75.
Wait. One minute.
முடியா
0.75, sir.
13.75 sir answer.
0.75, sir.
Yeah, I just
13.0.
Somebody is talking. That's what I'm just talking that.
friend.
Sarabhesh, are you in the class or not? If you are in the class means you should listen it. Okay. Your name already we got the enrolled, but you are just talking to somebody. Is it the class time or what you are thinking? Just listen the class. Okay, let me come to this point. Okay, now you just tell that, and we want to add this value, no? So if we add this 5 plus 5, 0 will become, and then 1 is there. What is the final thing? I mean 0.25 plus 0.75, isn't it? So finally, final answer is what? 13 point.
13.75.
13.0.75.
Yeah, 0.75.
13.75.
Oh, sorry. I will do that. 13.75. Yes. So this is the value we got in this decimal. Have you understand this one? Okay, note down this one. Note down this. The previous one also I'm just showing this. You can do it. Note down this both the sums. Are you writing? No, write it in your classwork.
Yes, sir. Writing, sir.
Yes, sir. Class, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay, good, good. Let me go to the next page. This one, this sum also just completed. Last you just write this here in this given the space, no, 13.75. Just write it, because once you write clearly in your note means next time whenever you want this sum, how to do this conversion means it will be easy for your reference. Okay, that's what I'm asking to write. Once you completed means say yes, then we will go for the next conversion.
Completed, sir.
Okay, good. Priya.
Completed, sir.
Good.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. I hope everyone will complete. Okay, let me go to the next topic. So now you learned that how to convert a binary number, whatever binary number. It may be a fractional binary number or the integer binary number. Integer means whole number. Okay. So whatever number type if you are given the binary, now you learned it how to convert into the decimal. Okay. So that you learned it. Okay. Next topic we are going to do the second conversion. I will just show the slide for your remembrance. Okay. See, binary to octal. Okay. Next conversion is binary number to octal number. So before that, I want to ask the question: what are the octal numbers? Octal numbers
8.
0 to 7.
0 to
8.
7 are not 0 to 7 only, not 0 to 8. 0 to 7, totally 8 numbers, including 0. Okay, so 0 to 7 are called as octal number. That is that we are going to discuss about that. Okay, what is the base for octal? Octal number base is
8.
8.
okay. So that conversion now we are going to discuss it. Okay, let me show it. So this you know it. So just write the things. Binary to octal. One minute. Number conversion. Okay. Just note down this. So now we are going to learn how to write the binary number, given binary number, how to convert into octal. Okay. I hope you return. Okay. Can anyone say that? I will just write it 1111. That's all. Okay. This is the binary number. Suppose. Okay. So now we need to convert into the octal number. What is the octal number base? What you said before?
8.
8. So 8 is the octal base. Now we need to find it. Okay. I will tell one easy trick for you, or easy method. Another method also there, but it seems to be easy. Okay. We need to segregate into the 3 bits. What is bit? I asked many times we discussed in the first chapter. What is bit?
0, 7.
0 or 1? Yeah, that is
9.
0 to 9. No. What is bit? My question is 0
0
or
and 1.
1. Yeah, 0 and 1 as binary digit we are saying. What is actually 1 bit? A single bit is called as either 0 or 1. That is called as what? 1 bit. Okay. Here, how many numbers are there? The binary I am asking. How many digits are there? 4 digits are there. First, what we need to write means just to write the number with spaces. Okay. The first step is 1, 1, 1, another 1. Okay. So 4 ones are there. So first we need to group the number. First we need to do the grouping. Grouping means grouping into the 3 bits. 3 bits means 3 numbers. For example, I will just use this one minute. So I'm just grouping the first 3 number as a 1. It is a 1 group. Second group, only 1 number is there. No, from last onwards we need to do the grouping. That is very important. Okay, from the reverse side onwards we need to do the grouping. Then the front side, only 1 number is there. No, isn't it? Correct. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
for
sir.
that we need to add the 2 zeros before that, because we need to group into 3 numbers. Okay. Now the group is in the 3 part. It is there. Now you can see the second group we got it. Okay. Sorry, this isn't. Okay. Now we need to convert it into the decimal, normal decimal. Let you do the decimal. Here in this side we will do this decimal. You can see 0 into 2 power. How many numbers are in the first group?
2.
How many numbers? 3 numbers are there. No. So 0 into 2 power 2 plus again. What is the second number? 0 into 2 power
0 into 2 power 1.
1 plus 1 into 2 power.
0
Last number is 1 only. No. 0, 0, 1. Okay. So 1 into 2 power 0. Okay. This is the first. What we will get? 0 plus 0 plus
0
1.
1.
2 to the power of 0 is 1. 1 into 1, 1. So finally we got what? 1. Okay, this is
1.
Okay. So now we need to do the second grouping. What is the second grouping number? 1 into 2 to the power of
1 into 2 2
plus 0 into 2 to the
plus
power of 1 plus tell that.
Sir, the
Again.
1 is sir.
Oh, sorry.
No, there is 1 only, sir.
Yeah.
1 into 2 power of 1.
I will do that. Okay, good. Very good. Now it is 1 minute. Okay. Now it is here 1. Okay, 1 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of
1 into 2 power of 0.
So what is the
0.
value we'll get? 2 to the 2 to
4.
4. 4 into 1 4
plus
1
2
2
plus 2
yeah 2
1.
plus 1. So what is the value?
7.
7. So 1 7. Totally what is the answer? 17 is the answer.
17.
Have you got it? So 1 1 1
Yes,
1. Suppose if this is the binary number, means what is the equivalent octal number? Means 1 7. Have you understand how to do the conversion? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me do one more sum for that. Then you can easily understand it. Okay. Now I'm just using the binary value. I will just tell myself it is okay. Can anyone say that binary number? Some binary number, whatever it may be. Let me start with 1 0. Yeah, tell that.
1
1. I will just add one more
0
1 0. zero. Okay. Suppose if it is the given number is in the binary number, we need to convert it to the octal means. Now you want to do this. Okay. What is the octal base?
8.
8.
Okay. Now you just do it. See, there are one more minute is there. You just, if the link is interrupted means again join with the same link. One more minute is there. Meanwhile, you just listen it. Okay. 1 minute is there. You just join. Okay. Totally, how many numbers are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. are there. First step is, what is the first step? We need to grouping the
Grouping.
number. In grouping, how many numbers we need to group? By 3. Octal means we need to group by 3. Okay. So shall we group? How to do the group? I don't get it. Yeah. First we need to do the group from reverse order, isn't it?
Reverse last number. 0,
Yeah, last number.
2,
Did you tell that? 0,
0, 1, 0.
1, 0. This is your. Yeah. Could you able to see the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
as we discussed like that, you can see last 3 numbers we are just taken as a one group. Okay. So this is our first, that is one group. And next one is, what is the next
1, 2, 2, 0. 1, 2, 1, 0, 0.
The reverse order we need to write. Yeah. So 0, another 1, 0. This will be our another group. Okay. And what is the final number is there?
0,
1.
1, sir.
1, 1,
0, 0.
We need to add the 2 zeros because in order
0.
to 3, 1. Very good.
1, 1, 2.
So now we need to find the things. Okay, let me just do the calculation. What is the 1? What is the value? 0, 0, 0, 1. What is the value?
0 into
1,
2
sir.
power
1.
2.
Here,
0
1,
into
sir.
2 power 2.
1.
here.
1.
2, sir. 2, 2.
Okay, good. Because first is also 2 power 2 also 0. So 1 and 2, 2. So what is the value we get? 1, 1, 2. Isn't it?
1, 1, 2, sir.
1 on 2.
So this is our value. Very good, very good. Nicely you said. Okay, let me go to, suppose if it is a decimal number means the same thing. If it is in decimal means there is no concept, the same one only. Okay, we will do one more sum with the decimal. Okay. You can see. Oh, 1 minute. Okay. For example, 11111 dot 100. Sorry, for example, 10. This is the number 10. This is the binary number. We need to find the octal value. Okay. So how to do it? Did you say that? So 1, 1, 1 is one group is there. Okay. So in the, hello, are you hearing? So next
Yes,
thing,
sir.
point
Yes, sir.
1, 0 is there. We need to add 1, 0 in the last part. Suppose in the decimal value, we need to add the 0. If it is 2 number or 1 number is there, means we need to add 1, 0 at the last one. Okay. In this side, we are adding the first side, no? In the front side, we are adding, no? Here, we need to add the 0 in the last side, at the rear side. Okay. So now calculate the value. What is the value? 111 means what is the value? Find it. 1 into 2 to
7,
the
sir.
2 power of 2.
7.
2.
7, sir.
Yeah, just let me do it. Correct what you said, but anyhow we will do it. Okay. Yeah, tell that again. 1 into 2 to the power of
0.
0.
Okay. So what is the value? 4
4.
plus
4 plus 2 plus
2.
plus
1.
1.
1. Totally
7.
we got
7.
Okay. Here in this point, 1 into, sorry, 1 minute. 1 into 2 to the power of
1 into 2 to the power of minus 2.
no. We should not do like, that's what I am coming to tell. We no need to calculate that. It is another one method. We are converting into octal, no? So 2 to the power of how many numbers
Yes,
are
sir.
there? 3 numbers.
3 numbers, sir.
That is 2. Okay, 2
Four.
to the power of 2 plus 0 into
0 into 2 to
the
power of 1.
2.
That's what, yeah, that's
One.
what I'm asking to do it. Okay, 0 into 2 to the power of
0 into 2 power of 0. 0.
Okay, so what is the value? First one we get 4
4
and next
plus
4 plus 0 plus 0.
0 plus
4 answer.
answer is
4, sir.
4.
7.4.
So what is the yes, 7.4.
7.4. 4.
That is the octal value. That's what I'm coming to tell. This is the octal value for this given number 111.10. Okay. Okay, we'll just show this. Write down this part. Write down. Take down this in your note. Have you written this one? This sum you just write. I will show the next. I mean previous sum also.
Okay, sir.
Finished it, sir.
Okay, good. Just write this step also, student. That's what why I am asking means now you may be thorough in these things. Okay. After later part, that is after we are completed this chapter, after revise the, I mean we completed 2 or 3 chapters, you completely you don't have the what is the thing knowledge about that. You may forgot it. That's what I'm coming to tell. Okay. For that purpose only, I'm asking to write this steps also. For everything, we want to do the step. The steps are very important. Then only you can understand yourself. You can understand what you return in the things. Later part, you can understand it. That's what.
Completed, sir.
Okay. What about others? Do you all completed this sum? I mean, this given number?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Good.
Sir.
And who's-
Sir.
somebody said no. Okay. Complete it quickly. Okay. I hope you completed and just complete this sum without decimal. Start to write.
Completed, sir.
Okay, good, good. So one dot person yesterday onwards joining, but he didn't. He or she didn't given the name. Who's what is your name? Ah, left it. Very good. That is fine. Have you completed this sum? You completed means let me
Yes,
go
sir.
for it.
Yes, sir.
What about, okay, good, good. What about girls? Did you all completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, let me start the new topic. So we I will show the slide. So we know that now how to complete the binary to decimal, binary to octal. We learned it. What is the next topic? Third topic is
Decimal to
right.
Binary to
binary to hexadecimal.
hexadecimal.
Yes. Binary to hexadecimal. How to do the conversion? We will learn it. Okay. Okay. One. Say something, but I didn't get it. Okay. Let me add one more page. You just write this topic in your note. Binary to hexadecimal.
Hexadecimal.
Write this topic and let me do it. Binary to hexadecimal.
Completed.
Okay. So shall we discuss about that? So let me take one binary number. Okay. For example, I'm just using just 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. So a little bit lengthy number. Let me take it. Okay. So suppose it is a given binary number, we need to convert into hexadecimal. What is the hexadecimal base? Base for
16,
hexadecimal?
sir.
16. What are the
16.
numbers? What are the numbers? The
0
hexadecimal?
to 15.
0 to 15. So 0 to 9 we have to in the form of it is in the form of numerical. 10 will be in the form of what? How to represent
A.
A,
A?
B, C,
11 means
D.
yes. We have seen the slide also for 1 minute. For your reference, I will just you can see this last line. A 10 is represented by A. 11 is
A
12 means
11
C.
C.
And 13
T.
means D, 14 means E,
D.
and 15 means F.
E.
In this order only we need to represent it. Okay. To see that it will be easy for you. The last line, oh, it's not that much good. Okay, anyhow, it will be okay. Let me go to the number. Okay. Now you can see. Now we need to do the conversion. How to do this means here we need to do the process grouping by 4. Okay. Last octal how we grouped it. Grouping by 3, no?
3
Three.
sir.
Now it is
Yes
by
sir.
4. Okay. Now let you tell that it is very easy, no? Tell the last 4 numbers. What are the 4 numbers from reverse order?
1
Because there
1
is
0
One.
1 1.
yeah, that is very
0,
important.
1, 1.
Not fraction 1. Then do you want to do this reverse order? Okay, 1 0
1
1
1.
1. So this is one group, and second group is what?
1,
1
1, 1.
1 1 0
1
0.
1 1 only.
1
One.
1
We
0.
add the 0 in order to make it as a 4 groups. Have you understand this one?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So just it is one group, and this is another one group. Okay. Now you just calculate it. What is the value? Find it. So just tell that 1 into 2 to the power of. This one I'm asking. 4, no? So 4 value means what? 1 to the power
3
of 3 plus.
3
Again, tell that 1 into 2 to the power of
2
2.
2. Rest of the students just join it. Only 1 by C.
0 into 0 into
2 to the
2
power of
for
1
1.
plus 1 into 2 to the power of
1 into
0.
2 power
0
0.
Okay, tell that what is the value 2 to the power of 3. 2 power 3 is what? 2 is
8 sir.
8 plus
8.
2 square is
4
4 plus
plus 0
0.
plus
plus 1.
1. So what is the value?
13.
13 we got.
13.
So for that it is 13. Okay. So for this part we need to do it. Just do the same thing. 0 into 2 to the power of 3
3
plus
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 1
1
into
into
2 power of
2 power of
2
2
plus
2
uh,
plus
1 into 2
1
power
into
of
2 power
1
of 1
1
1
into
into 2 power of 0
0. So
0.
what is the value here? 0 plus next
0
is
plus 4
4
plus
plus
5.
2 plus 1
7 answer.
2, 7.
this is what ma? 4. This is 2 no?
2
2 plus
2.
plus 1
so 7 how it is 7? Oh yeah, 4 plus 6 plus 1 7. So totally 7.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This part is
Yeah.
7. So now we need to convert it. 7, what is the representation? 7 only. Correct. 13, how to pronounce the 13? How to represent 13 in hexadecimal?
E.
See this.
D. 7D.
D. Very good. Very
D,
good.
sir.
Super. D we need to pronounce. So we need to write 7D. Okay, we should not write 713. 713 is not answer. 7D is the answer. Because we need to represent the 13 in the form of D, the alphabet. Have you understand how to convert, do the conversion for from binary to hexadecimal?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, copy down this one in your note.
Completed sir.
Completed. Good. The grouping and all, you just write it for what I'm saying. You just write a note, take a note in your note. Octal means that is binary to octal means grouping by 3. If it is number is insufficient means we need to add the number at before only at the starting point. That is the front end only we can add that in the whole number. Okay. If it is decimal number means decimal part means we should add the 0 at the end. That is the end part one.
Last.
Yes, last. Yes. Okay. Just write it after once you completed it, let you go to the next one.
Completed, sir.
Completed sir.
Completed, sir.
Good. Write them also, students. That is very important because now you may understand later part. It seems to be easy, but later part, if you forgot means you don't know how to do the conversion. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Let me do the same thing with the decimal points. If the decimal point is there means let how to do it. Let me see. Should we go or what about others? Do you have completed now?
Completed, sir.
Okay, pa.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. Okay. Now, okay, let's just tell the number, decimal number. Let me do the very small number for our case. Okay, 101.10. Suppose if it is, this is the number means. Okay, in the binary, we need to convert into the hexadecimal.
16
Yeah.
base.
Yeah. So tell that what is the thing? We need to group, no? So first we will take the real part. Teacher part. No, just tell that. How to 0, 0? Who is saying 0, 0, 0? You can see this. 1, 0,
1 0
1 is there. We
0.
need to add one more 0. Correct, no? 0. In the previous part. This is one group. Point, that is dot. Dot is there. That's what. Here dot is there for fractional part. Okay. 1 0 is there. We need to add what? 2 more zeros in order to grouping. Okay, grouping we required 4 bits. No, for grouping we need, it is required to convert into 4 bits. So it is converted into the 0. I mean added 0. This is another part. Did you do this? What will be the answer? Okay, 0 into 2 to the power of. Tell that. 2 to the power of
3.
3
3
plus
3
1 into 2 to the
plus
power of
1 into 2 power of 2
2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus
1 into 2 power
1 into 2
0.
power 0. So what is the answer? So 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus
0 1
1. So totally
5
what do you think? 5 get this. Okay. So for this end we need to do this. So 1 into 2 to the power of 3.
Answer
Okay.
1.
3
How it is 3 ma? How it is 1 ma? The rest of the things are all 0, no?
8, sir.
Directly we will
8,
add.
sir.
Yes, that's what. Good. So 8. So what is the answer? 5.8.
5.8, sir.
So 5 is also a hexadecimal number. 8 also in the hexadecimal number only. More than 9, if it is goes means, then only we need to represent in what? The alphabet.
A B C
Yes.
D.
Now we understand now how to conversion for what is the thing? Hexadecimal.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
note down
Yes,
this.
sir.
Note down. Okay, 5.8 is the answer. In just a bracket, you just write it. Steps also just note down, children.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I hope you understand. Today we completed, I think so, binary conversion. All the binary conversion, isn't it? Binary to
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
what is the thing?
Binary to-
decimal, binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal. So all the decimal, I mean binary conversion, first part we done, and tomorrow we will learn it. Somebody is sleeping now. Who's that sleeping? Okay, just we come to the point. And tomorrow let me see about the decimal. Okay, decimal to what is the thing? Binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. So these 3 points let me discuss. I mean one by one we will discuss it tomorrow class. Okay, Saturday once again I'm just reminding you. Saturday you are having what?
Yes.
Forgot test unit 1 test. Sorry, chapter 1 test is there. That is computer system overview. Okay. So for that reference,
Yes,
already
sir.
material is available in our website. Go through that material. That is more than enough. If you are having the textbook, means that will be very nice, and just refer it. Okay. So it will be the test will be conducted via the Google form. So the link will be shared in our WhatsApp group. You just attend the link. Just click the link and give your email ID and fill the basics. Okay. That is the basic means your name, group, all those things. Once you complete it means questions will be shown to you. Just answer one by one. Okay. It is a very time limited one, time stretched bounded test. Just attend, don't waste the time also too. For that you do the preparation side by side. Okay. Today I will just post some homework related to the binary to, what is the thing? All the binary conversion. Binary to,
Hexadecimal.
yeah, I will show the slide. You can see.
Okay, sir.
Hexadecimal, binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, and binary to decimal also I will post, because with the fractional numbers, fraction number I will post it. Okay. So in this first part I will post the homework. Okay, part. I will given a PDF file for your reference. Okay, students, very nice time to you. Okay. Thank you to all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.